Yesterday we celebrated our anniversary, went to a wine tour. It was beautiful, it was gorgeous actually. But today I've kidnapped my wife against her will and I threw her in the car and now we're going for a ride on the quad. Sometimes there's just nothing quite like a slow-paced ride on a gorgeous fall day. The morning air was crisp and the afternoon warmed up beautifully. Today is also my wife's birthday, so we were joined by our good friends Brian and Ronnie and went out for a ride on our ATVs. We had no intention of filming a video today, however I did bring a GoPro and boy am I glad I did.
I don't think I had it on video. I was thinking the whole ride, I'm like, I wonder if we're going to see a moose today. Let's go. If he comes at us, go. Wow. A freaking moose. I've never seen one out here. I know they hunt for them out here. He kept going that way?
Yeah. Yeah, he's a long ways over now.
Oh, I'm not interested in chasing him. I don't know. Yeah, it had antlers. That was a bull. That was a bull. That was like a 9-pointer. He was a good-sized bull.
Oh, I just saw his butt.
Yeah.
Huge rack.
That was sick. Dude, at first it tripped me out. Like, what is that on the trail? I was like, is that a horse, dude? Right? I was like, oh, a moose. Oh, I wish I had that on camera. I might have got his tail in.
There he is. Chris, come over here.
Where?
Chris, right there.
Straight through. See him moving?
Oh, yeah, I do. Well, you got to keep an eye out. He might decide.
Oh, beside Chris, Lauren.
Yeah,
Like,
he's straight between there. Be careful, though, eh? It's rut season. They get kind of aggressive, eh?
You can see him moving, Lauren.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Get ready to go. Is that a cow now? I don't think that's the same bull, guys. Oh, it is. I see his rack.
Yeah.
Yep.
I've been riding in this area for a long time and I've never seen a moose out here. So that was super cool that my wife was able to see one on her birthday. And the day gets even better. Just wait. were just having the best day. The weather was gorgeous, and here we are just booting along the VRT, our bellies full from just finishing lunch, and now we're making our way back towards our trucks. We're humming along, enjoying the scenery, then out of nowhere, turn a corner, and bam!
Holy fuck. Look at all the moose. Look at all the moose. Sweet. Well, we've seen our moose, guys. Yeah, it's on this time. Yeah, I got it. Yep.
How frickin' cool was that? Like I said, I've been riding that area for about 5 years, all seasons, you know, spring, summer, going into the fall, never seen a moose. So to see 4 in one day was epic, and my wife was so happy, as was I, and Brian and Ronnie as well, but man, that was super cool. And like I said, we weren't planning on making a video. In fact, I grabbed that GoPro like last minute, like just in case something happens, maybe I should have a GoPro on me. So I'm really glad I brought it. So in any event, I appreciate you guys watching the video. I know it's not quite as entertaining as our usual videos, but nonetheless, I appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.